All right, friends, this is how you make the Sonobe Cube enhancement. And when you apply the enhancement, 6 of them, to your Sonobe Cube, then you basically have a star cube. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. We start with a fold, creating a vertical crease in the center of the paper, like that. Then we go ahead and fold it the other way to create a horizontal crease. And it should look like that. I'll just make sure that the crease is really strong. And now I have a cross in the center of my paper. I'm going to spot this horizontal crease and then bring the bottom and top edges to it. Like that. And also like that. All right. I'm going to keep that folded. And now I'm going to bring this entire edge here and this edge here to the vertical crease that I can still see in the center of my paper. So that looks like this, and like this. Again, make those creases really strong by pressing down along the crease with your fingernail. Okay, now I'm going to take these 4 points here and here, and I'm going to fold them to where the horizontal crease ends at the edge of the paper, left and right edge of the paper. So it should look like this, forming a right triangle. Okay, do that on all 4 sections. And this is going to set us up for our next move, which is a little complicated, but not really that bad. Okay, so what you should have now are these 2 sides being able to move up and down, right? So I'm going to focus on this side first. What I want to do is open that up and spot this pocket and this pocket, okay? But when I use this top pocket first, I will kind of undo that triangle that I had made earlier, right? So I'm going to go into this pocket, but I'm going to undo the triangle from the outside, this part. I'm going to undo it, so kind of open it up like that. And now I'm going to go into the pocket and then push the pocket along this point, center point of the paper, like that. I'm going to push it down. You see, like that. I'm going to open it up and push it down and let this triangle fold from earlier open up, and then it comes down like that. All right, and if I do that to both sides, so the top side here and the bottom side, so using the pocket down here, but opening this triangle, and then when I, again, go to the center point for this move, I end up doing something like this, and then I can come in from the outside, push it down, and it forms this shape. Turn the whole thing around about 90 degrees, and then you see that it looks like a house, right? So I'm going to do that to the other side. I'm going to open it up, undo the triangle, from earlier. Go into the pocket. Oh, and I'm gonna have to hold this down while I do that. Go into the pocket, push it down, and then from the outside, push the whole thing down, creating the same shape that I made on the right side here on the left side now. So I'll do that to the bottom again, undo the triangle fold from the earlier move, and then here's my pocket. Go into that pocket, open it up, and I'm spotting this center piece again, or center point again, pushing down to that center point, coming in from the outside, pushing it down, right? So there is the whole project so far. Now I should be able to see an X crease in the center. And what I want to do is just make each of the diagonals of the X even more creased. So I'll just pick this one first and fold along that diagonal. So here's the diagonal of the X crease in the center. I'm going to fold along that and just really press it down, right? Then open it up again. And I'm going to come along this other diagonal of the X crease, fold it down, and make it really, really tight and secure. All right, then open it back up. So now, what I will look for is the horizontal crease here along the center. And I want to actually pinch the paper so that the horizontal crease meets itself. You see, so here's the horizontal crease, and this side of the horizontal crease will now come and meet this side of the horizontal crease when I pinch it. Goes like that. And then I can just squeeze that. And basically our fold is done at this point. We just have to find a way to turn it into like an X, right? So you can do some additional creasing to make it like an X, right there, see? And now I'm just going to fold each of these prongs down in the same direction. So if I push this one down this way, I'll push this one down this way, and I'll keep moving counterclockwise here, push that one down that way, and then push that one down that way. And I can crease a little bit to make them stay down somewhat, right? And what it looks like from the side is this, see? So those are your prongs there. And now I can just go ahead and attach it to my Sonobe cube. See, because these prongs, see, this is how it was, I was holding it earlier. Now I'm going to turn it around, and these prongs will slide into the pockets of the cube like that. So I'll put that one in there, and then this one will go in here. You kind of have to, you know, manipulate the whole thing a little bit. Now I'm going to try to find a way to get this one in there. Let me put it in this part of the pocket instead there, like that. And the last one also needs to go in. So I will find a way to do that. And with some with some manipulation and adjusting, you will have the whole thing inserted, just like that. And when you do it all the way around, you know, to all the faces, you'll have something that looks like this, which is called a star cube. It's pretty amazing. All right, that's it.